Hi friends, do you want to learn basic English and grammar? This would be the right place. Learn simple English. Basically, tense is nothing but its time. It's classified into three types. They are past, present, and future. Based on action, the past tense considers four types. They are simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. The simple past is going to be described in this video. The action started and completed before this moment, which is called simple past. The action happened before this moment. This is the definition for simple past. Did plus verb gives first form of verb. The verb ended with ed, which is called regular. If not, it's called irregular verb. Find the examples below. Verb and its past tense. Forget, forgot, go, went, tell, told, get, got, sleep, slept, promise, promised, write, wrote, become, became, know, knew, learn, learnt, Please answer the following blanks in 10 seconds. I dash to bring my lunchbox. The verb is forget. We have to answer. The answer is I forgot to bring my lunchbox. Forget past tense is forgot. She dash abroad last year. Here the verb is go. We have to say in simple past tense. The answer is she went abroad last year. You dash me the answer yesterday. The verb is tell. So the past tense of the verb tell is told. You told me the answer yesterday. He dash $1,000 in the lottery. Here the verb is get. The past tense of the get is got. He got $1,000 in the lottery. She dashed in the car last night. Here the verb is sleep. What is the past tense of the verb sleep? She slept in the car last night. Sleep past tense is slept. He dash me to never remove the mask. The verb is promise. The past tense of the verb promise is promised. He promised me to never remove the mask. He dashed a letter very nicely. The verb here is write. The past tense of the write is wrote. He wrote a letter very nicely. He dashed a teacher at the age of 40. Here the verb is become. The past tense of the verb become is became. He became a teacher at the age of 40. He dashed about the news day before yesterday. Here the verb is know. The past tense of the word know is knew. He knew about the news day before yesterday. Thanks for watching.